This video shows the query performance of the serialization of SPARQL queries on TCGA data when compared with the traditional method of executing the SPARQL query on top of a TCGA RDF graph. To follow this video, you can point your browser to tcga.s3db.org. For demonstration purposes, let's jump to the demo queries and click on the fourth query. This will output a very basic SPARQL query on the text area. You can now click on Run Query. This opens a new window where the query that's in the URI is executed. If we open Firebug, we can see the time that it takes to execute the query. Firebug tells us that it takes approximately 1.12 seconds to run this query. Now let's close this window and go back to the interface. This time, let's click on the checkbox that says Do not use cached queries. This will avoid reusing the results calculated from the previously executed SPARQL query. If we now run the query, we can see that this query immediately takes a bit longer than the previous one. If we open Firebug again, we can see that this query takes approximately 3.14 seconds to execute. To compare these queries with the traditional method, let's open a new browser window and point it to tcga.s3db.org/test-query-performance. This window will open 4 queries in 4 different frames. The first and second frame execute the query using the traditional method of using a SPARQL engine on top of a TCGA representation in RDF. The third and fourth frames open the query that we just demonstrated. The third frame opens the query without using the cache, whereas the fourth frame executes the query using the cache. Let's open Firebug again and see how well these queries did. You can see that the third and fourth frame are quite a bit faster than the first and second frame. SPARQL.org responds in about 22 seconds, whereas the query executed on the SPARQL engine on the server where the TCGA data is stored takes about 25 seconds.